Imagine transforming your routine journeys into a thriving source of income. Welcome to the innovative world of peer-to-peer shipping, a revolutionary concept that's reshaping the delivery landscape in today's gig economy. This model connects individuals looking to send items with travelers heading in the same direction, making shipping more personal, efficient, and introducing a new avenue for earning. What makes this model so appealing are its benefits: reduced shipping costs, faster delivery options, and a greener alternative by utilizing existing trips. As we explore the peer-to-peer shipping market, you'll understand how it functions, the benefits it offers to both senders and travelers, and its rapid growth. This segment will reveal how participating in this ecosystem not only contributes to a more sustainable world, but also empowers you financially by turning your travels into a profitable venture. Building on the transformative concept of peer-to-peer shipping, your next step is identifying the right platform that complements your travel habits and income aspirations. Choosing wisely, considering the community, policies, and nuances of each platform forms the foundation of your success. Once you've found your match, curating a compelling profile is crucial. It acts as your digital storefront, establishing trust and showcasing why you're the ideal choice for customers' more shipping needs. Navigating platform policies ensures not just compliance, but protection for all parties involved, ensuring every transaction is smooth. This segment guides you through these preliminary steps, setting you on a course where your travels don't just take you places, but also redefine your financial trajectory. Stay tuned as we progress to preparing your first delivery. Accepting your first delivery request marks a critical milestone, paving the way for new income possibilities. To ensure success, consider essential tips such as meticulous packing, utilizing bubble wrap for fragile items, and familiarizing yourself with the app's navigation for efficient pickups and drop-offs. These initial steps are key in becoming a reliable courier right from the start. As you prepare for this new chapter, embracing these foundational tips will not only streamline your process, but also build trust and reliability within the peer-to-peer shipping community. Stay tuned as we delve into overcoming common challenges faced in this dynamic gig economy, equipping you with strategies for seamless deliveries. As you embark on your peer-to-peer shipping journey, anticipation of challenges is natural. This segment focuses on overcoming these potential roadblocks, highlighting the importance of flexibility, effective time management, and customer satisfaction. Developing a solution-oriented mindset, especially when dealing with difficult deliveries or navigating through unforeseen changes, transforms hurdles into learning opportunities. Effective time management strategies, such as utilizing scheduling tools, help balance your deliveries with personal commitments, optimizing your earnings. Ensuring customer satisfaction through prompt communication and attention to detail not only secures repeat business, but also fosters a positive reputation. With these insights, every challenge encountered is an opportunity for growth, paving the way for success in your peer-to-peer shipping endeavors. Navigating through the peer-to-peer shipping landscape, from its conception to overcoming challenges, brings us to the pivotal point of expanding your delivery network. Each successful delivery builds your narrative of trustworthiness. Echoed through positive reviews, your reputation becomes a beacon, attracting more opportunities and enabling income growth. As you contemplate broader horizons, remember, each delivery enriches your journey, establishing you not just as a courier, but as a cornerstone of the peer-to-peer shipping community. The path ahead is vast, filled with potential to widen your reach and diversify your deliveries. As we set sail into expanding your network, remember, each parcel delivered not only supports your growth, but connects communities, shaping the future of shipping together.